our dual fan blower. First off, the overall dimensions. Overall length, we have 19 and 7/16. The length for the actual fan itself is 7.5 inches. Overall depth, we have 2.5 inches. Overall height, we have 2.5 inches. Height with the circuit, we have at least 3 7/16. And the overall length, 2 3/8. Coming to the front of the sticker will be your technical information. Pre-crimped cable with the connector. And this will work with any of the refrigerators that we sell. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information. Thank you.